This program has helped me build more than just connections. I've built friends, I've built professional networks.
This program has allowed me to realize that leadership is a skill that can be mastered, and I see this as an opportunity to strengthen all of those skills I already have.
There's so many different meanings to what the word leadership is, and every leader has their own journey and goal and kind of mission and aiming to kind of implement what they're hoping to change and do.
I think leadership development is important for all of us as we think about wanting to lead the types of change we want to see in our communities and the world around us. There are a number of different evidence-based frameworks that show us that different types of leadership skills really make an impact on how effective leaders can be on impacting transformational change within an organization or within a community.
Being a part of this program has led me to numerous connections here at Dalhousie. I have collaborated with people of different majors, different staff and faculty throughout the departments, and worked with community projects.
This program helped me build professional connections as well as personal connections. From a professional perspective, the mentorship program is like the most major part of that. And being connected with a leader on campus at Dal that's able to connect you with the right people throughout your capstone project. And from a personal perspective, the cohort that you're with them so much that you learn about them, not just from a school standpoint, but also from a personal, and that allows you to build networks and friendships.
Being part of this program has helped me create connections in a variety of ways. On one hand, getting to connect with student leaders through a variety of faculties and getting to see the amazing work that they're doing has been so inspiring and also helped me bridge my own connections.
So we hope the Student Leadership Academy attracts all students at Dalhousie and really has a draw to students across the range of disciplines of academic study that we offer at Dalhousie, but also that we're able to attract a really socio-demographically diverse group of students. So students who come from different communities, different identity backgrounds, different types of developmental experiences, coming from rural and urban settings, different socioeconomic statuses. I think that's really, really important in building a cohort of students who have different perspectives on the world around them, where they can learn from each other, but also where they can be in an interdisciplinary environment and apply different types of expertise from the various areas of study they're engaged in to solve problems facing the world.
The advice I would give to someone joining the Student Leadership Academy is to fully dive into the experience. To fully immerse yourself into the workshops and the experiences you get throughout this program will benefit you the most. It is nerve-wracking to sit next to someone new or to show up to these workshops alone, but the more you put in, the more you get out of it.
Whether you're a brand new leader not having any experience before or someone who has a broad variety of experience, I think this Leadership Academy, the style that they have it is so impactful in their ability to not only inspire and create change in leaders on the foundations level, but also share insights with someone who may be a very experienced leader, but might not know much about the styles of leadership, because oftentimes people might just have natural intuition in how they lead in their leadership styles. But being able to learn more about what those styles are and how you can improve yourself is really impactful and can help improve your advocacy like threefold.
My advice for anyone considering to join the program is to 100% join. There's no regrets. The lessons you learn, the networking, not just the networking you do, the networking skills that you gain, as well as the friendships and the bonds that you build throughout the program are just amazing.